Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an exchange program with AFS Intercultural Programs, full guide step by step clearly. To start an exchange program with AFS Intercultural Programs, begin by researching the organization. Visit the AFS official website to understand their mission and values. Familiarize yourself with the various exchange programs offered. Select a program that aligns with your goals and interests. Reach out to your local AFS chapter for specific information and resources. Attend an information session or webinar hosted by AFS. Gather necessary documentation, including your academic records and personal statement. Complete the application form provided by AFS. Submit your application before the specified deadline. Prepare for an interview that may be required as part of the selection process. After your interview, wait for notification regarding your acceptance into the program. If accepted, review and understand the terms and conditions of participation. Attend orientation sessions organized by AFS to prepare for your exchange experience. Connect with your host family, if applicable, to establish communication before the program starts. Make arrangements for travel and any necessary visas. Finalize your packing list, ensuring you include essential items. Stay updated on any preparatory meetings or events leading up to your exchange. Once abroad, embrace the opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture. Participate actively in the AFS community, building connections with fellow exchange students. Reflect on your experience throughout the program, noting personal growth and challenges. Upon returning home, consider sharing your insights with others to inspire future participants. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.